Imagine a busy airport, planes taking off and landing. Now picture a deadly mistake that changes lives forever. This is the story of the 2001 Milano Linate airport collision. On October 8, 2001, a tragic accident occurred at Milan's Linate airport. A small plane collided with a larger aircraft on the runway. This event discovered critical safety flaws in aviation operations. Let's break down what happened that day. First, a private jet was taking off from the runway. Meanwhile, a larger aircraft was taxiing for takeoff. A simple miscommunication led to disastrous consequences. The primary cause was a failure in the communication process. The private jet mistakenly received clearance to take off. Simultaneously, the larger aircraft did not receive proper instructions. This created confusion on the runway. Now, imagine being a pilot in this situation. You're confident your takeoff clearance is valid. But suddenly, another aircraft is on your path. It's a heart-stopping moment. We learn about runway incursions. These incidents happen when an unauthorized aircraft enters a runway. Understanding this can help prevent future accidents. The complexities of air traffic control added to the confusion. Stress, heavy traffic, and outdated procedures contributed to the disaster. This highlights the importance of modernizing communication systems. After the collision, investigations revealed safety protocol failures. Many recommendations were implemented to enhance airport safety. Control towers needed improved communication. Better radar systems were essential. For example, like the air traffic control system in strong weather conditions. Modern technology could alert pilots of potential risks faster. This helps to reduce human error. In summary, the tragedy at Milano Linate teaches vital lessons. Communication and coordination are crucial in aviation safety. Improving technology can help prevent future accidents like this. As we move forward, let's honor the lives lost by advocating for change. Share this story with others. Learn from the past to secure our skies. If you're interested in aviation safety, subscribe for more insights. Stay informed and stay safe. Thank you for watching. On that fateful day, confusion reigned at Linate Airport, with tensions high as air traffic controllers worked diligently amidst the chaos. They were focused on managing multiple aircraft, unaware that a critical error was unfolding right before them. The sounds of engines roared, a cacophony masking the impending disaster. As the small private jet taxied towards the runway, the ground staff believed all protocols were followed. Little did they know, their assumptions would lead to a catastrophic collision. Seconds felt like an eternity to the pilots who suddenly found themselves in a life-or-death situation, urging their planes forward while desperately scanning the runway for clarity. As the private jet began its takeoff roll, the larger aircraft was still on the ground, preparing for its own departure. Miscommunication echoed in the control tower, as a crucial misstep went unnoticed, leading to a grave misunderstanding of the situation. In the cockpit of the private jet, the pilots remained oblivious to the terrifying reality they were about to face, believing they were clear for takeoff. The seconds dragged on, heavy with tension and foreboding, as both planes continued on their perilous paths, unaware that fate had already cast its dark shadow over the runway. Amidst the noise and confusion, time seemed to stretch infinitely as the pilots remained committed to their tasks, unaware that a storm of catastrophe was brewing just beneath their radar. In the seconds leading up to impact, adrenaline coursed through their veins, focused solely on executing their flight plans with precision. With every turn of the throttle and adjustment of the flight instruments, they considered themselves en route to success, while fate was conspiring otherwise. Suddenly, the stark realization hit: their paths were irreversibly intertwined in a tragic dance that no one in the tower could foresee. Panic surged through their minds as warning alarms blared, illuminating the impending danger that they could not escape. The collision was imminent, marked by a heart-stopping silence that followed the chaos. In that fleeting moment, lives would change forever. As the roar of engines filled the air, time slowed for the pilots and crews on both aircraft. It was an agonizing moment where clarity slipped away, replaced by sheer horror as the unmistakable reality of their proximity sank in. In the cockpit of the larger aircraft, the captain and co-pilot spotted the smaller jet racing down the runway, realizing too late that disaster was at hand. The instinct for survival kicked in, adrenaline surged as their minds raced through possible evasive actions. But the weight of their situation felt as heavy as lead, with seconds ticking mercilessly away as tragedy approached. In conclusion, the tragic events at Milano Linate Airport serve as a stark reminder of the critical need for improved communication and safety protocols in aviation. By learning from past mistakes, we can ensure that future flights are safer and that the lives lost are honored through meaningful change in the industry. In the aftermath of the collision, the scene was filled with chaos and disbelief as first responders rushed to the site, desperately trying to assess the extent of the destruction. Smoke billowed into the air, mingling with the frantic cries for help, creating an atmosphere thick with despair. Survivors emerged from the wreckage, their faces haunted by the horrific memories of the disaster. As emergency teams worked tirelessly to save lives, the grim reality of the situation began to unfold, revealing the magnitude of the tragedy. Investigators soon arrived, determined to unravel the tangled web of events that led to that fateful day. Each detail uncovered brought with it a wave of sorrow and reflection, as the weight of lost lives pressed heavily on the hearts of all those affected. The lessons learned during those harrowing hours would ripple through the aviation community, igniting a movement for change that resonated far beyond the confines of Linate Airport. In the echo of sirens and the somber atmosphere, a commitment to safer skies was born, promising that the pain experienced would forge a path toward a brighter future in air travel. As the investigation progressed, the initial reports were released, detailing the sequence of events leading to the collision. Experts meticulously analyzed the audio recordings from the control tower, searching for answers that could illuminate the miscommunications that had unfolded. It became clear that misunderstandings between ground staff and pilots were exacerbated by outdated procedures that, even when followed, proved insufficient for ensuring safety. Recommendations for reform flooded in from across the aviation industry, pushing for the implementation of more robust communication technologies that could avert future disasters. Meanwhile, families of victims grappled with their overwhelming grief, feeling compelled to advocate for aviation safety reforms that would prevent similar tragedies from occurring. They understood that their loss could serve as a catalyst for change, making the skies safer for future travelers. In the coming weeks and months, the aviation community rallied together, sharing their insights and proposing innovative strategies to enhance safety. Conferences and workshops became platforms for discussion, where experts examined case studies and addressed the necessary changes in air traffic control protocols. This collective effort ignited hope among the families of the victims, who were determined to see their loved ones remembered through meaningful reforms. As public awareness grew, governmental agencies began to prioritize funding for modernization projects aimed at replacing obsolete technologies and improving training programs for air traffic controllers. With each breakthrough, the commitment to aviation safety strengthened, and the lessons learned from the tragic events at Linate served as a guiding light in the mission to secure the skies for future generations. Together, they envisioned a world where such a disaster would never occur again, driven by a belief that safety should always come first in aviation. Reform efforts were led by passionate advocates who had lost loved ones, their voices resonating through the corridors of power as they met with lawmakers and industry leaders. They shared personal stories, painting a vivid picture of the lives cut short and the families left in agony, emphasizing the urgent need for transformative action in aviation safety protocols. In public hearings, attendees listened intently, as data and emotional testimonies melded together, driving home the point that complacency was no longer an option. The air traffic control community, once deeply divided on issues of communication, began to unite, realizing that consistent and clear protocols could save lives. With every new proposal, there was a sense of collective responsibility emerging, inspiring collaboration across borders and sectors. Technology companies joined the fray, eager to contribute advanced tools and ideas that could revolutionize the way air traffic was managed. The appetite for change was palpable, characterized by a shared vision that safety, above all, transcended profit. Months turned into years as reforms slowly took shape, each innovation a testament to the commitment displayed by those who vowed to honor the memory of the lost through daily actions. This newfound focus shone a light on the dark shadows of the past, providing a beacon of hope for future travelers to fly with greater assurance. As each airline adopted the latest technologies, the atmosphere of fear gradually diminished, replaced with renewed confidence in aviation standards. In time, educational programs emerged, aimed at training the next generation of controllers, emphasizing not just technical skills, but the vital importance of teamwork and situational awareness. The memories of the Milano Linate tragedy lingered, etched into the very fabric of every safety briefing, ensuring that past mistakes would not become future realities. The push for reform continued to gather momentum as advocates and aviation experts worked together, creating comprehensive safety guidelines that were not only innovative but also practical. Among these recommendations was the implementation of a state-of-the-art runway incursion warning system, capable of providing real-time alerts to pilots and ground crews alike, effectively minimizing the risk of collisions. With a dedicated focus on training for air traffic controllers, the goal was to enhance their ability to manage high-pressure situations while ensuring clear communication among all parties. As awareness spread, international aviation organizations began adopting these new standards, fostering a culture where safety was prioritized and collaboration became the norm. Over time, the tragic events at Milano Linate emerged not just as a cautionary tale, but as a catalyst for significant change within the global aviation community, reverberating through every decision made in the pursuit of safer skies. Amidst this collective effort, the human stories remained at the forefront of advocacy, reminding everyone that behind statistics, lives were forever altered. Family members of the victims began to find strength in one another, forming support networks that emphasized healing through activism. They organized memorial services and public events to honor their loved ones, ensuring that each name would never be forgotten. These gatherings became powerful symbols of resilience, serving as a rallying cry for all those committed to preventing such tragedies in the future. As the world of aviation continued to evolve, it was clear that the echoes of Milano Linate would resonate, guiding the industry toward a safer and more accountable horizon. The advocacy for change transformed into a movement, with campaigns designed to educate both the public and industry professionals on the importance of safety protocols. Community events embraced the stories of victims, with poignant speeches and visuals aimed at fostering a deeper understanding of the need for vigilance in aviation. Every voice added strength to the quest for reform, ensuring that no one would forget the lessons learned from that tragic day. The tragic events at Milano Linate Airport undoubtedly changed the course of aviation safety, reminding us that vigilance, communication, and compassion are essential in preventing future disasters. By honoring those lost and advocating for necessary reforms, we pave the way for a safer journey for all who